Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how we can write if-else statement in single line in Python. In Python, we do not have ternary operator, that is, Python does not support ternary operator which is supported by some languages like Java, C++, etc. So if you have to write your condition and expression, everything in single statement, you can use this kind of syntax to perform your job. Now here we give the expression first, which is evaluated if the given condition, the condition which is given after if is true, otherwise the expression given after else is evaluated. So let's take an example to understand it in a better way. Now we will take an example where we will read age from the user, and if age is greater than equal to 18, we will give a message eligible to vote, otherwise we will give a message not eligible to vote. And for that we will use this single line if statement. So let's take a variable age and we will read its value from the user. So here we say input, enter your age. Okay, and now we will use the syntax that we discussed right now. So we will print a message. So we are using the print method here, and what we want to be displayed, if the condition is true, we want to be displayed eligible to vote. So here we are giving eligible to vote. Okay, and then we need to give if and then the condition. Our condition is that if age is greater than equal to 18, and then we need to give else keyword followed by the expression which should be executed when the condition is false. So here we will say not eligible to vote. Okay, so what we have done, we want to print a message. Now this message eligible to vote will be displayed if the given condition is true. That is, if age entered by user is either greater than or equal to 18, then we will get the message eligible to vote. Else we will get the message not eligible to vote. Let's run this. Now we need to enter the age. Let's suppose if we enter 23, we are getting the message eligible to vote. Let's run it once again. So here we will enter, let's suppose 12. So we are getting the message not eligible to vote. So if we use this kind of syntax for writing if-else statement, then we can reduce the lines of code. I hope the concept of using single line if is clear to you. Thank you for watching this tutorial.